In the real world, the smartest people are people who make mistakes and learn. In a school, the smartest people don't make mistakes. It's not what you say out of your mouth that determines your life. It's what you whisper to yourself that has the most power. The most successful people in life are the ones who ask questions. They are always learning. They are always growing. They are always pushing. Don't be addicted to money. Work to learn. Don't work for money. Work for knowledge. It's easier to stand on the sidelines, criticize and say why you shouldn't do something. The sidelines are crowded. Get in the game. Winners are not afraid of losing, but losers are. Failure is part of the process of success. People who avoid failure also avoid success. If you are still doing what mommy and daddy said for you to do, go to school, get a job and save money, you are losing. Often, the more money you make, the more money you spend. That's why more money doesn't make you rich. Assets make you rich. The only difference between a rich person and poor person is how they use their time. If you realize that you are the problem, then you can change yourself, learn something and grow wiser. Don't blame other people for your problems. Workers work hard enough to not be fired, and owners pay just enough so that workers won't quit. Never say you cannot afford something. That is a poor man's attitude. Ask how to afford it. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. One of the most stupid things to do is to pretend you are smart. When you pretend to be smart, you are at the height of stupidity. There are those who make things happen. There are those who watch things happen. And there are those who say what happened. Losers quit when they fail. Winners fail until they succeed. The love of money is not the root of all evil. The lack of money is the root of all evil. When people are lame, they love to blame. If you want to go somewhere, it is best to find someone who has already been there. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. If you have failed, that means you are doing something. If you are doing something, you have a chance. The hardest part of change is going through the unknown.